Hey guys, it's your own boy, the one only Great Dane, back with day 210 Star Drop opening and day 10 of the Brawl Together event. So let's see what we have for our double Star Drops. Starting with an epic, 200 coins, super rare, 100 coins, super rare, and 50 fire points, rare, 100, epic, 100 bling, super rare, and 55 points. Alright, so let's see what we have in the shop. So you guys may or may not have noticed, we have hit the final milestone for the Brawl Together event, which is a legendary star drop. So let's have a look. I'm actually pretty happy about that one because with Edgar, especially in Solo Showdown, I'm pretty sure you're nearly guaranteed to get that at least once a game, and it is incredibly useful. For the daily freebie, we have 15 coins and 5 credits. We also have Navigator Colettes in the shop for 3 more days. Ferocious Fang in the shop for, I think I'm reading this right, 31 days? It's literally in the shop for the entire month. I'm assuming they're probably going to add the other offers to it as well when they release those skins, like the King Monkey Miko skin. It goes by a different name, but I'm sure you guys know what I'm talking about. And then there's also a 5 times offer value on power points, because we all know how much we need more power points, right guys? I honestly couldn't recommend this offer less. Unless they were to introduce coins back, this would be a better offer than buying coins straight up, because it would be converted into coins. But again, unless you're really strapped for power points, which I don't think anybody is, then I wouldn't suggest buying that offer. Now let's see if anything has changed. So again, I'll show you guys that we have completed the Brawl Together milestones here. So again, we will still have the coin shower, double Mastery Madness, and double star drops for roughly 4 more days. So make sure to get in the game and enjoy that while you can. But I don't think much else has changed again. The other thing to remember is every day that you log in and participate to the milestone, even though we've already hit them all, I'm pretty sure it still counts. You get entered into like a secret raffle where, I forget how many people it was again, you'd have to watch the video. You can win 1,000,000 gems or something crazy. So again, if the double star drops, coin shower, and Mastery Madness aren't enough to already be an incentive to play the game during this event, I think that is. So again, we have no idea who it's going to be, but again, 1,000,000 gems is just crazy. Even though you can't buy the Brawl Pass with it, you can still get an incredible amount of things in the game with that many gems. So just something to keep in mind. Again, you can always buy some gems with 10% extra for $50 if you want to do that too. So yeah, again guys, as of today I have 5,040 XP doublers and 27,674 power points. And again, at one point it's just going to be such a ridiculously high number that they're going to have to do something about it, right? Because it just doesn't make sense. Anyway, yeah, guys, let me know if you got anything good out of your free legendary star drop, and let's see how far we can take this.